Hello everyone, myself Sanjay Kumar. I am pursuing MSc Fruit Science from SCOST Jammu. I am highly thankful to Dr. Prashant Bakshi sir, Associate Professor Division of Fruit Science SCOST Jammu, who has taken care of our studies in this pandemic and always guided us for performing better. Thank you sir for your cooperation. My topic is biodiversity and conservation of grapes. These are the contents. What is biodiversity? Biodiversity is the variability among living organisms from all sources, including terrestrial, marine, and other aquatic ecosystems, and the ecological complexes of which they are part. This includes diversity within species, between species, and of ecosystems. Biodiversity forms the foundation of the vast array of ecosystem services that critically contribute to human well being. Biodiversity is important in human managed as well as natural ecosystems. Decisions humans make that influence biodiversity affect the well-being of themselves and others. Biodiversity is essentially everywhere, ubiquitous on Earth's surface and in every drop of its bodies of water. This flowchart depicts biodiversity conservation. Introduction. The grape is one of the most delicious, refreshing, and nourishing fruits. Grapes, owing to their taste, nutrient content, composition, and low calorific value, are refreshing fruits. It is probably and obviously the largest produced fruit of the world. It is considered to be the fruit of the temperate region, but it has been successfully acclimatized to several subtropical countries. In India, almost all our produce is consumed as table fruit, while in European countries 99% of their produce is used for preparation of wines. Grapes are also used for preparation of other products like raisins, fresh juice, and jams, etc. Origin and distribution. It is subtropical fruit but adapted to tropical conditions. It is native to Armenia, a district near Caspian Sea in Russia. It was introduced to India by the invaders of Iran and Afghanistan. India has about 54 species, 1102 varieties, and 37 rootstock due to introduction from other countries. It is referred as true grapes or bunch grapes. It has elongated clusters of fruit. It possesses forked tendrils and most of the Vitis vinifera species found in this subgenera. Muscadinea, referred as muscadine grapes, it has small fruit clusters, thick-skinned fruit, berries that detach one by one as they mature. It possesses small tendrils. There are only 2 to 3 species in this section. These are species of grapes. These are Vitis riparia, Vitis cordifolia, Vitis rupestris, Vitis parviflora, Vitis tomentosa, Vitis amurensis, Vitis cinerea, Vitis rotendifolia, Vitis estivalis, Vitis lanata, Vitis labrusca, and Vitis barbata. Varieties of grapes introduction. Many of the varieties have been as introduction from Russia, Brazil, Nigeria, Ukraine, Japan, Uzbekistan, USA, Canada, Korea, and Morocco. Now these are some seeded varieties: Anabe Shahi, Bangalore Blue, Chimma Sahibi, Pakka Draksha, Black Champa, Champion, Early Muscat, Gulabi, Arka Kanchan, and Dilkhush. These are some seedless varieties: Thompson seedless, Arkavati, Pusa seedless, Perlet, Delight, Beauty seedless, Arka Nilamani, Sarth seedless, Red Globe, Arka Shweta, Arka Majestic, Arka Chitra. Now these are some varieties for wine grapes: Arka Soma, Arka Trishna. This is Indian wine grape growing region map. Perlite. This cultivar was developed by the University of California, Davis by Dr. H.P. Olmo. The most striking feature is the translucency of the mature fruit. The French name Perlite means little pearl, popular variety of northern and western India. Next is Delight, sister seedling of Perlite, early ripening habit and characteristic muscat-like flavor. It is less vigorous. The bunch is medium, compact, conical, and attractive with green, small, and almost round berries. Has good eating and shipping quality. Himrod. It has done well in Punjab, Haryana, and UP. It is a prolific bearer, vigorous and heavy yielder, excellent in quality and mid-season variety which is resistant to disease and pest. Beauty seedless, medium vigor bunches, medium to large, long, compact, bluish blue, spherical, medium-sized berries. It is an introduction from California and was released for cultivation from IARI New Delhi. Thompson seedless, Australian seedless Kishmish Sultania bedana, also called as oval kishmish in eastern Mediterranean region and sultana in Australia. It is a table and resin cultivar as well as desert. Flame seedless. The flame seedless is a vigorous heavy bearing table grape cultivar that keeps well in storage. It is a hybrid of Thompson Cardinal and several other varieties vinifera cultivars. It produces large cluster of medium large red grapes with a sweet flavor. Crimson seedless. The variety was released from USA, California in 1989. Vines are vigorous, berries uniform, bright red, medium bold to oblong to elliptical in shape, whereas flavor is sweet and neutral. Pusa seedless. It is a selection made at IRI New Delhi. Bunches are large, conical to slender. Sunaka seedless. It is bud sport of Thompson seedless. Tashe Ganesh, bud sport of Thompson seedless. Sharad seedless. Selection from Beauty seedless made by grapevine growers. The next is Black seedless, Midnight Beauty, and Siraj. Arka Nilamani, which is a cross between Black Champa and Thompson seedless. It is moderately vigorous, bunches medium in size, well filled, uniform and attractive. Berries are slightly elongated, dark red to black with a TSS of 22 to 24 bricks. Arkavati, Black Champa is crossed with Thompson seedless. It is evolved at IIHR Bangalore, medium sized bunches, well filled and long conical in shape. Vine is vigorous. The medium sized berries are spherical in shape, yellowish green with thin skin, pulp soft, very good quality. Kishmish. Kishmish belly is a variety which berries are small sized, elongated and golden yellow. Kishmish cherries with brick red, spherical to slightly elongated, medium sized berries. Red Globe. It was introduced from the University of California in 1985. Berries are bold red, fuse shaded and yields 16 to 18 ton per hectare. Anabishai. It is important and popular grape variety. The bunch is medium to large in size and are moderately compact. The berry is oval in shape. It is amber in color. Keeping quality is good. The vine bear 20 to 24 months after planting. Bangalore Blue. Bangalore Purple. It is natural hybrid between Vitis vinifera and Vitis labrusca. Important variety around Bangalore, used in brewer industry and also for making juice medicine. Vigorous medium yield bunches, hardly shouldered, compact, berry small to medium, spherical in shape, thick skin, dark blackish purplish color within uniform ripening. Taste is 16 to 18 bricks, pulp pale green, acidity is 0.8 to 0.9%. Muscat. Muscat Hamburg Gulabi, Karachi Gulabi, Black Prince. Bunches are pyramidal and pendular, berry small, medium, opening uneven. TSS is 16 to 17% and the bunches are loose to well filled with yellowish green berries which then golden yellow when overripe. Black Champa. It was selection from the introductions at IIHR Bangalore. The vines are vigorous and medium yielding capacity. It is a people grape of excellent quality. Bunches are small, well filled with small and medium black berries. It is susceptible to cracking and rotting during rains. Dilkhush. It is a bud sport of an Abishai producing golden yellow elongated losses in attractive bunches. Concord, Manjari Naveen, Medica, Fantasy seedless, blush seedless, autumn seedless. Next is commercial varieties: colored seeded, Bangalore blue and gulabi, colored seedless, beauty seedless and sharad seedless, white seeded Anabishai Dilkhush, which is clone of Anabishai, white seedless Perlet Pusa seedless, Thompson seedless and its clones, which are Tashe Ganesh, Sunaka and Manik Chaman. Currently Thompson seedless is the ruling grape, occupying 55% of the area with its clones. Muscat is grown in Tamil Nadu, where the rainfall is low to moderate. Resin making: Thompson seedless and its mutants like Sunaka, Tashe Ganesh, Manik Chaman are mainly used for raising production, although Arcavati grape found to be promising. NRC for grapes Pune have also come out with varieties like A17-3, E12/3, Mint seedless, Superior seedless, KR White, Manik Chaman, A18-3, colored seedless and cardinal found promising for the production of raising but are yet to accept on commercial footing. These are some suitable rootstocks corresponding to the problem. Collection and conservation: most of the grape varieties grown in India belong to species Vitis vinifera and a few of them are Vitis labrusca. A report of NBPGR New Delhi indicated that 1850 accessions were introduced throughout the bureau during 1947 to 1991. After the establishment of National Research Center for Grapes in Pune in 1997, an inventory of authentic and active germplasm sites in India was made. The most popular method of conserving the grape genetic material is field gene bank. National Research Center for Grapes NRCG has developed an active gene bank which also serves as national active germplasm site for grapes in the country. The following is the number of accessions maintained as field gene bank at NRCG Pune, in which white seeded there are 85 accessions in the field. For colored seeded 160 accessions are there, white seeded 44 accessions are there, and for rootstock accessions 24 are there. This is the list of germplasm center in India, the project under which they came into existence, peak number of accessions made in the past and presently available, and accessions obtained by NRC Grapes Pune. In vitro conservation technique to preserve pollen of Anabishahi, Bangalore Blue, Bangalore Purple, Black Champa and Queen of Vineyard cultivar in liquid nitrogen has been attempted at IIHR Bangalore, and the stored sample recorded negligible loss of germinability even after 3 to 5 years of cryopreservation. Popularization of exotic cultivars. National Research Center in collaboration with the Agriculture Produce Export Development Authority APIDA initiated a multi-location project under pilot scale in 8 different places, 3 in Maharashtra, 2 in Andhra Pradesh, 2 in Tamil Nadu, 1 in Karnataka. Under this project, cultivars like Crimson Seedless, Red Globe and Italia having demand in international markets are included. Recently bred varieties like Autumn Royal, Autumn Seedless, Mercus and Blush Seedless with international market in table grapes are being introduced with the financial help of National Horticulture Mission. Thank you everyone.